Hi, I'm on holiday at the moment, so I'm just going to show you a couple of different exercises that you can do whilst you're away on holiday to keep your core strong. Okay, so I'm just going to go back down to the floor. So I'm going to do the glute bridge to start with. Sit on the floor with your knees bent, lie down slowly. Draw your navel in tight to your spine. Bring your heels close to your bottom. Squeeze your glute, relaxed shoulders, and slowly push your pelvis up. Keeping your glutes tight, your navel drawn in towards your spine, and push all your weight through your heels. Hold this position for about 30 seconds and then slowly lower your spine, rolling down until you relax at the bottom. So in the glute bridge as well, the other thing you need to remember is that your knees are hip width apart and that you can actually see or feel that your feet are the same width as your knees. So in this position, you're pushing up, your knees are going straight over your toes, keeping them nice and straight like that. Stopping the knees from dripping in, pushing out. They must go forward to help keep the correct alignment. Okay, so I'm going to do dead bug now. Lie on your back, draw your navel tight into the spine, place your leg up in the air with your knees over your hips. Flex your feet and place your hands directly above your shoulders. To start off with, for an easier progression, one arm back and forward, arm back and forward, and then your leg, really drawing your navel into your spine to support and protect your back, and then the opposite leg. So that's using each limb separately. Then you can progress on to opposite arm and opposite leg. It is quite a strong movement, so you may find that you can only go so far down to say here. So if you feel that your navel or your abdomen is not that strong, then you need to really draw in as tight as you can. If you can't get that leg forward and going down without your back arching, then you want to only take the leg as far as it will go, keeping your back flat on the floor. So you're in that position. You might have your arm going back as well if you can manage both, but make sure that you are only going as low down as you can without the back lifting. So you want to make sure that your back is deep into the ground. So the clam exercise, you go down onto your hips, make sure that they're stacked, your shoulders are stacked on top of each other. You can place your hand here for support, and then your feet need to be flexed at the back so that they're bent, and you've got your feet in line with your hip and your shoulders. And in that position, you can do the clam. Make sure that you do have your navel pulled in throughout. The part of the area you're working is your glute medius, which is a hip muscle here, which helps with your standing and walking and balance movements. In this position, you draw your navel into spine and you slowly lift your knees apart, but you need to not rotate your back at all. So I can't really push up any further without rolling my back. So navel to spine, opening wide and then back together. Opening wide and back together. You can repeat this about 10 times and you will start to feel a bit of a pinch and tightness there. If you need further guidance, contact a clinical therapist near you. Please share this video with anybody who might find these exercises useful.